Transformer having how many?
Two winding.
Two winding
sir.
transformer. So that means either primary
Primary, secondary.
or secondary. These are the two windings we are having. Now, if you connect primary on star connection model, what about secondary? Shall we go for again star? Maximum possibility of these star delta. This is our first possibility. What is the second possibility? Delta. Both
Delta.
sides delta connections. What is the third probability? Primary
Star
side
delta.
star, right? Very good.
Star.
Star delta. What is the fourth probability?
Delta and star.
Delta.
star.
Right, delta star. What is the fifth probability? Is there any possibility?
No, sir.
No,
No.
right? So how many configuration, how many three-phase transformer connections we are having with the star and
Four.
delta configuration? Four. So
Four.
the first one is star star, second one delta delta, third one
Delta.
star delta, fourth one delta star.
Delta
Delta.
star.
Clear? Now we need to connect one by one. So I will tell first configuration and second configuration. Remaining 3 and 4 you can try by your own. Very simple. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. First one, keep the side heading all of you. Star star connection. Just to focus for 10 minutes, that is enough to learn this topic. Only 10 minutes. So on primary side, here this is three-phase transformer, right? So that's why three phases on primary and on secondary. Done? Clear? Now, for your understanding, I am keeping one dash, two dash, three dash, one dash, two dash, three dash. Right. Now tell me in star connection, this is your primary side. This is your secondary side. Now on primary side, tell me which are the points I need to connect in order to form the star connection.
1, 2, 3.
1 3 or 1 dash 2 dash
Or
3.
1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash.
Good, good. So by default, we should go for 1, 2, 3. The first terminals. Shall we go with that? No. See here, one dash. These you can connect your supply, all the first ends, and you can take the second ends, one dash, two dash, three dash, all similar ends. Clear? Or else you can also join 1, 2, 3, and you can give the supply to 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, but it should be having the polarity differences. Okay, that's why I'm joining all the secondary ends, all similar secondary ends. Okay. Now, is it clear to all of you on primary side, star connection? This is where you can give your supply R, Y, B by dragging them outside. Understand on the primary side connection?
Yes, sir.
Star connection. Now tell me on the secondary, what are the points I need to connect here to form the star again?
1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash.
Good. One dash, two dash, three dash. Drag all these first ends on secondary side. Done. Finish. R dash, Y dash, B dash. Where you can connect your load on the secondary side of the transformer. Where you are having load terminals here. Okay. there where you can connect your load. Here I am removing. Right. Up to this you require in the examination. Here you need to write some 2 points for this diagram. How you are getting connected. All similar ends joined together. Right, your point as usual. And the second point, the voltage and current relations in star connection and voltage relation and current relation. And the fourth point, see here, VL is equal to root 3 times of V phase, right? So that means in delta, VL is equal to, see in delta, what is the relation? VL is equal to V
V
phase.
phase.
In star, VL equal to root 3 times V phase. That means which side the voltage values are higher, in star or delta?
Delta.
Check
Star, sir.
star connection. Root
Star
3
star.
times,
Star, sir.
that means 1.7
Yes,
times greater in star connection,
yes.
right? So shall I take this as for increment of voltage, or we are used for high voltage applications, this configuration, where we require this star star connection in high voltage applications? Understand? And what about current? Check the current relations. See in star star, check the current relations. In which connection current value should be lesser, in star or delta?
Star, star, sir.
Star.
Like in star connection, right? So I will get back this slide again. In star connection we require, we are having high voltage, right? But current value I will mention as a third point. Fifth point, current has less value. So if current value should be lesser, what is the insulation requirement? Insulation required is more or less?
Insulation more.
Current is lesser, insulation required is high or low?
Less, sir.
Will
Less, obviously less,
lesser.
right? There is no more and more protection
Yes, sir.
required. If effect is very small, why should we require more protection of insulation? Not required, right? So if insulation should be decreasing, what about the size of transformer?
Decrease.
Decrease. Clear the logic behind this point, where how we can use for high voltage applications due to increment of line voltage compared to your phase voltage in the case of a star connection. And if you consider the current parameter, the current should be lesser in star connection compared to your delta, and due to this decrement of current, the insulation requirement should be lesser. Due to lesser insulation requirement, the size of the transformer should become small. Understand, very very important. So total how many points we got? Total 6 points we got.
Yes, sir.
So if you write all these 6 points in a sentence format, will you form one neatly for 4 marks easily for this single diagram and these 6 points, right? Are you able to got the point in examination point of view? Shall I move on to next configuration? What is the next configuration?
Delta, delta.
Delta, delta. Delta, delta connection. Ma, in windings, you can draw it neatly. Here in my graphic tablet, it should be difficult to draw. With more neatness, you can make it neat in your class notes. Right. Sorry, this is a 1. Ma, this is 1, 1 dash, 2, 2 dash, whatever I'm representing, this is purely for your understanding. Okay? Don't write in your examination. If you write in examination, nothing to worry. There is no problem is there. But better don't mention this 1, 1 dash in your examination. For your comfortness, here I'm giving this. Once you are making perfect, you can connect by your own without these numericals. Right. Now tell me how I can form the delta connection on primary side, back to back connection. Nothing but the second end is connected to first coil second end connected to second coil
First end.
end. Second coil second end connected to third coil first end.
First end.
So third coil second end is connected to first coil first end. Clear? Now just drag these points outside. This symbol indicates that there is no direct connection between these two wires. Okay. See here, there is no direct connection. This is your R, Y, B. Now tell me on the secondary side. Same delta connection on the secondary. What are the points I need to connect? Quick.
1-2,
1-2,
2-3,
2-3.
3-1.
3-1.
This is one point. This is another point. 3-2, 1. R dash, Y dash, B dash. Clear? Delta to delta connection. All of you understand delta to delta connection?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, tell me the points immediately, your definition, where back to back end connection. And what is the second one? Second point, the voltage relation. VL is equal to V phase. That means voltage levels are low, right? So once voltage levels are low, tell me the current relations IL equal to √3 I phase. So current value should be lower or higher compared to your star connection?
Higher, sir.
Higher, right? So if current value should be higher, in the sense the insulation required is higher or lower?
Higher.
Higher.
Higher. So if insulation should be increasing, in the sense, what is the size of transformer?
Increase.
Increase.
Increase. So in delta delta connection, the size will be higher. High size should be having. This is our fourth point. And what about your fifth point? Where we can use this? At which applications? Low voltage applications. Clear? All of you?
Yes.
Now tell me the star delta connection. Right. So will you draw the star to delta connection now by your one? So star star connection clear, delta delta connection clear. Now this is a star to delta connection. So whatever you are writing the points on the star connection, the same you need to write on primary side. Whatever you are written in the delta connection, the same you need to written on the secondary side of star delta. Okay. Now draw by your own. Quickly tell me in which points I need to connect.
1-2, 3-.
1-, 2-, 3-. Good. 1-, 2-, 3-. Correct. R, Y, B, that is your primary side on star connection finished. Right. And here the voltages are higher or lower on primary side? Due to star connection.
Higher.
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 Right. That means high voltages on primary. Right. Tell me. Now about secondary side. What are the points?
1-2,
1-2.
2-2,
1-2, 2-3,
3-1.
3-1. And you
One.
need to drag these common points outside. R dash, Y dash, B dash. This is your secondary side which is connected in delta. What about voltages in delta connection side?
Less.
Low voltages.
Lower voltages. Now tell me which type of transformer it is, step up or step down? Primary side voltage is
down.
greater than secondary side voltage, therefore good. Step down transformer. So
Step down.
where we can use this kind of star delta three-phase transformer connection? In step down transformer applications we can use this. Clear? Star delta configuration. And whatever you learned the points on star connection you need to write here. Whatever the points on delta side you need to mention. Final point is where we can use step down transformer. Clear? Shall we move on to last configuration? Quick. What is the last one?
Delta star.
Delta star.
Do it by your own.
Yes, sir.
Is there any difficulty now?
No, sir.
Right. By looking the concept in textbook, it will be looks very complicated. But once you are getting understand, very simple. Now, 1 minute, I will give a presentation for easy method. 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. Right. Now tell me, primary side is delta. What are the points I need to connect? Primary side.
1-2,
1 dash 2, good.
2-3,
2 dash
3-1.
3 dash 1. Right. 3 dash 1. Right. Now tell me on the secondary side. As a star.
1 dash 2 dash.
1 dash 2 dash 3 dash. Right. Tell me the points quickly. So delta in the sense the voltage values are higher or lower?
Higher. Sir.
Higher.
Delta.
Lower.
Lower.
See in delta. Fifth point. Values are lower.
Low voltage.
Low voltages. Right. Don't confuse me. On star.
Higher voltage.
Voltages are
Higher.
high voltage. So now where we can use primary side is
Step up transformer.
Transformer.
Less than
Step up
step
transformer.
up.
step up transformer. Clear? Understand?
Yes.
Applications are step up transformer. Any questions, any doubts on this three-phase transformer connections? Any difficulty, any complications, any challenges? Very important. Generally, students are doing mistakes while giving these connections.
Connections. Yes.
What they will do is, I will show you one example here. Okay, like this, what they will do for, let us take a star delta connection. Okay, so star delta in the sense where they need to short all the similar ends. They will short. Okay, but what they will do is like this, they will drag. Okay, see here what happened. There is a connection.
Direct connect.
Okay, this will make your marks 0. And some students will do in the case of delta as they will connect as per their mind it is correct, but as per valuation it is wrong. Like this they will do, and just they will drag them like this. Again here they are giving the direct connections, leads 0 marks. But students, what they can tell, I write exam very well, I given all the connections very good. I used pencil. I written all the points. With this diagram, with this kind of diagram, even if you write all the 5 points, you will get 0 points only, 0 marks only. Since your connection itself is wrong, you are doing short circuits. What is the short circuit resultant? Damage of circuit. Clear? Understand?